It's a bow on a bow. Hey everyone, hey crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. The other day, I am wondering about how to make two bows in one, and I finally came up with this idea. I actually use sewing machine to make this one, but if you don't want to use a sewing machine to make this bow, I'll have the tutorial coming up next week, so stay tuned and let's get started with this one. First, I will make the small bow, and I use cotton fabric, and the reason that I like cotton fabric is because there are a wide variety for us to choose. There are flower pattern, polka dot stripe pattern, and there are so many options for us to choose. That's why I really love cotton fabric. The size is about 6 inches by 3.5 inch. So with the right sides together, I am going to fold the fabric in half and sew this part. For those who have been wondering about my seam allowance, it's about 1/4 inch or about half centimeters. So after this, we are going to turn the fabric right side out. Next, I am going to press the fabric. We are going to shape the bow. Just place the fabric together, and we are going to gather it using needle and thread. Next, let us prepare the fabric for the center. The size is about 4 inch by 1.5 inch. I have pressed the fabric to the center and then I fold it in half so I can hide the raw edges perfectly. We are going to attach this to the center and sew this part. To sew this part, I always move my needle to the left side so it gets close to the bow. Let us sew it. Cut the excess fabric and turn it over. Now you will have your little bow. Let's put it aside. Let's prepare another fabric for the larger bow, and the size is about 11 inch by 6 inches. So with the fabric folded in half, we are going to sew this part. After we sew the fabric, turn it right side out. And then we are going to press the fabric. After you press the fabric, you may want to fold the fabric in half and press right in the center to mark the center. If you want to make it more visible, you can draw it using any marker. This is actually erasable, water erasable. You can check out this marker in the description below. Next, prepare a felt fabric or any fabric to make the bow look more sturdy. I want to make the shape. It's just so sturdy because I insert a felt fabric inside. The size should be the exact same size as our fabric. As you can see, the width, it's the same size, and I am using a shorter felt fabric from this bow, so it won't be too bulky on the gather here. I think I should make it shorter. I don't want when we gather the fabric to make the bow shape, it's too bulky in the gathered place. So it's okay. Now we are going to insert this inside the fabric. And now we are going to slide the small bow, slide it inside. It will be a little tight, and it should be a little tight so it fits inside the bow. And now we are going to fold the fabric to the center and fold it to the center, and we are going to gather the fabric. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, and secure the thread. Now you can slide the bow to the edge here Slide it a little. And then we are going to attach a hair clip to the back side. Attach a hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. Next, let us finish the center. Prepare a fabric. The size is about 6 inches by 3 inches. Fold the fabric in half and sew this part. Turn the fabric right side out. And then I am going to fold the fabric back and forth. And we are going to attach this to the center. And sew this part for the last time. Once again, I will move my needle to the left side. And let us finish the bow. Cut the excess fabric and flip it over. After you finish the bow, you may want to use some hot glue gun right on the center to make it stays in place. And you can also attach some glue right on the small bow here in place. And it's tidy. And that's it. Our simple bow on bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye bye!